Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in dev check. Now you need to get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now thanks to this free app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!